Today we are going to talk about how to manage contacts on iPhone. Google Syncs, then open its official website. See, the first one. Go to Download Center. Download and install this Syncs mobile manager for free. Windows Virtual and Mac Virtual are available. Then start Syncs mobile manager on your computer. Connect your iPhone to computer via a USB cable. Music, videos, photos, ebooks, apps, contacts, messages, notes, WhatsApp, Safari histories, and more are allowed to manage here. All contacts groups are displayed here. Tap New to create a new contact. You can add a name, company, phone number, and other information for this new contact. Tap Save when it's done. Choose the contacts, then click Edit to change the information. You can add a name, company, phone number, and other information for this contact. Tap Save to apply the change. Click on Delete when you need to remove some contacts. Choose contacts you need, then tap Backup to save the selected contacts to computer. Choose Backup to XML file in case you need to restore them later. Tap Recover, it will load all saved backups on computer. Choose one backup, then restore it to your iPhone. If you need to remove some duplicated contacts, click Deduplicate. 3 match types: name matched, phone matched, exactly matched. Choose a group you need to deduplicate, then click Merge. You can choose several groups and merge them at once. Tap Merge Selected. This program also provides a free video downloader to download online videos for free. Go to Toolkit to explore more handy tools. Ringtone Maker, iTunes backup file system, audio converter, and more. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.